Good morning, friends. So, happy Diwali wishes to all of you, particularly my subscribers and my viewers. So, wish you happy Diwali. So, today, we have a Muhurtam trading that is around evening 6:15 to 7:15. So, this video is like a pre-market report as well as a stock suggestion for on this auspicious day. So, if you see XS Nifty, so it is trading around 230 to 240 points higher when compared to Friday closing. So it shows like market is bullish. Particularly today, like 6:15, it is expected to open around 200 to 250 points gap up and likely to trade in this region only. Because like again, like 18,000 will be a huge resistance. Okay. So expected to market to trade in between below 18,000 to 17,600 for this expiry. That is in October last expiry. So if you see the open interest for Nifty for this expiry, it is actually OA buildup is reddish, but expected to be greenish after market hours, which means after 6:15 expected to be green. Okay, so because it's already 17,000, exchange is trading around 17,800 nearby, so expected, so it will open here and some buying potential will be seen. Okay, so if you see like Bank Nifty, it is already bullish and it is like a lot of call buying are seen up to 42,400. Okay, 42,400. Okay, so I'm planning to deploy like iron fly or bullish trend in Bank Nifty. But today on this Diwali Muhurtam trading, actually I'm planning for iron fly in Nifty or bullish view, that is a bull call spread in Bank Nifty. So let us hope like how the market opens, how it is going to sustain for another 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll take up a trade. Okay, so the Nifty like daily support and resistance. So Nifty has to cross 17,877 on daily time frame. So keep that in mind. So if it is opening a gap up of 200 to 250 points, it has to break 17,877 and it has to sustain for some more time. On daily closing basis, it has to cross this. So then we can expect the all-time high 18,600. If it is failing, so again you may go to 17,300. Okay. So in case of Bank Nifty is actually broken your triangle pattern from let's all go like trend line with the breaks. So again, Bank Nifty should break 41,358 and it should reach 43,739. So if it is breaking this 41,185, so I will be, as I told you, I will be going for bull call spread. Okay, so based on like because like market is likely to be bullish for very limited time. Okay, so maybe Nifty may reverse at 18,000, Bank Nifty may reverse at 43,000. Okay, so we'll see a special like a stock for Muhurtam trading particularly. Okay, Muhurtam trading, it's an excellent stock. I'm personally having in my portfolio. I'm getting benefited. At the same time, I already posted more number of videos on this. So that is Indian Oil Corporation, IOC. Okay, so excellent stock, almost nearby 1 lakh crore market capitalization is having this stock like 95,318 crores. And the book value of the stock is 94.6, but currently it is trading around 67.5. Okay, so the dividend yield is 12.4% per annum. and the PE ratio is very, very less, like 4.80. So the return on equity is 20%, face value is 10. At the same time, the very important factor is this stock is going to declare a result by next week. I am expecting around 3 to 5 rupees as a dividend, and you will be immediately getting benefited, and you can hold this stock for long term. So, like particularly if you see the shareholding pattern, so 51.5% like is holding by promoter, and FIA is holding 7.22, and DI is holding 11.24, and government is holding 19% of stock, and only 10% of stock is available for public. So you can buy this stock on this day, and like you can hold it for long term. So it will give you a better return than your bank FD for a minimum investment. Say for example, if you buy 1,000 shares, it costs around, as per today's price, 67 or 68,000 rupees. But it will give you the yield of the minimum 12 to 15,000 rupees every year, apart from stock appreciation. If you see the chart, so once your 50 days moving average is breaking your 100 and 200, so the stock may move further. Okay, it may reach like 90 or 94. Okay, it has to break the pivot line, that is 68.65. The next target will be a 72, then 77 and 80. So it's in a good stock. You have to keep this in a portfolio for good number of dividend yield. So here the results will be 28th of October, and similarly last year the result has been declared on same nearby like 1st of November, and the dividend yield is 5 rupees. So this year also I am expecting a similar type of dividend, and hope like you will be getting they are giving a good dividend, and you'll be benefited as a Diwali bonus. Okay, so that's all about today. So we'll see the next pre-market report by tomorrow. So hope you'll be having a good Muhurtam trading. Okay, so start your trading career by joining our course. You can see. So here, so these are our courses, and we are having equity courses and advanced option trading and commodity trading courses. At the same time, you can open a Demat and trading account today. So it's a free. You can you can find the link over here, Alice Blue. So you can click on this, and you can open it. You can just fill the basic details, and you can open a trading account. Okay, so it's a normal KYC process, and you can join in our Telegram channel. So for that, so that you can get a regular updates. So this is our website. So trading class, the website address will be given in description. So for a reference purpose, and you can check out the courses and prices, everything. So contact details are given. If you can contact us. So for that, so that you can join in our class. Okay. So Demat and trading account can open by the link available. Okay. So hope you are enjoying the watching video, and once again, happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.